So dear students, in the previous worksheet, we solved some questions exercise 1.2. So here we will solve questions 10, 11, 12 and the other question also. And dear students, I also give some questions related to chapter number 1, knowing our numbers, in your worksheet. So you will check your homework portal and solve these questions in your fair notebook. Now students, here we solve some other questions from chapter number 1, exercise 1.2. Here we will solve first question number 10. Question number 10. Here the question number 10 is, medicine is packed in boxes. Medicine packed in boxes each weighing 4 kilogram 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram. Now students, you will also solve these questions in your fair notebook with me. Okay, so here we again read this question. Medicine is packed in boxes each weighing 4 kilogram 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram? So now here we first find the weight of one box. So here we will convert this kilogram into gram, and then we find the whole weight in a gram. So here we write the weight of one box is equal to 4 kilogram 500 gram. So when we convert kilogram into gram, here we multiply by 1000 because 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Then we will add 500 gram with this value. So here we get 4 multiply by 1000, 4000 gram plus 500 gram. So when we add these two quantity, we get 4500 gram. Now we find maximum load can be loaded in a van in gram. So here we write maximum load can be loaded in a van is equal to 800 kilogram. So here we will convert 800 kilogram into gram. So here we multiply 800 by 1000 gram because 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So here we get So here we multiply 8 and 1, 8 ones are 8, and after that we put 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5, because total 0, here the total number of zeros 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So here we put 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5, and here we get 8 lakh gram. Now to find number of boxes, here we divide 8 lakh by 4500 gram. So here the number of boxes is equal to 8 lakh divided by 4500. Now here we divide 8 lakh by 4500. So here 4500 divide 8 lakh one time. So here we write 4500. When we subtract these two numbers, then we get 35,000 here. Then we multiply 45 by 7. Then we get 31,500 here. After that we subtract these two numbers, then we get 35,000 again here. And again we divide 35,000 by 45. Then again we multiply 44,500 by 7. Then we get 31,500. Then here the number left 3,500. So here we write, therefore 177 boxes can be loaded. So the total number of boxes loaded in a van, 177. Here we solve the next question, question number 11. Now here the question is the distance between the school and a student house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So now we read question again. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So here we find the total distance covered in total 6 days. So here first we find and write distance, because first we write the given values every time. First we write given values here. So distance between school and home so is equal to 1.875 kilometer. So here see again, come back in the same way. So here the distance remains same, mean school to home and home to school. So here we write distance between home and school is equal to 1.875 kilometer. Now here we find total distance. Total distance covered in one day is equal to 1.875 kilometer add with 1.875 kilometer. Now here we add these two quantities. 5 plus 5 10 0 1 carry, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15 5 1 carry, 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 7, then 1 carry here, 1 2 3 3.750 kilometer. So here the total distance covered in one day is equal to 3.75 kilometer. Now we find distance covered in 6 days. So here we write distance covered in 6 days is equal to 3.750 multiplied by 6. 3.750 multiplied by 6. So here when we multiply 3.750 by 6, we get 22.500 kilometer, and we say that 22 kilometer 500 meter. So here we write therefore 22 kilometer 500 meter distance covered in 6 days. So dear students, first you write this question and note down this question in your fair notebook, and after that you also practice this question in your rough notebook. And I also give worksheet related to this question, so you will solve this worksheet in your fair notebook, and in the same way you try also in rough notebook also. Now here we will solve the next question, question number 12. And the question number 12 is, a vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliter of curd in how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? Now, students, here we again read this question. A vessel has 4 liter and 500 milliliter of curd. So here the capacity of curd in a vessel is equal to 4 liter 500 milliliter. In how many glasses each of 25 milliliter capacity can it be filled? So here first we write the capacity of curd in a vessel, and after that we convert this all quantity in milliliter. So here first we write capacity of curd in a vessel is equal to 4 liter 500 milliliter. Now here we convert this 4 liter into milliliter, then we multiply 4 into 1000 milliliter, because 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Now here we add 500 milliliter with it, then here we get 4000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter, then we get 4500 milliliter. Now we find the capacity of one glass. So here the capacity of one glass is already given here, 25 milliliter. Now we find the number of glasses can be filled. So here we write number of glasses can be filled is equal to 4500 divided by 25. Now here we use fraction method to divide 4500 by 25. So here we divide the both number. So here we divide these both number by 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 9s are 45. Now here again we divide 900 by 5. Now again here we divide 900 by 5. 5 ones are 5. Here 4 is left here, and 5 8s are 40. Then here we get 180. So here we write the final statement. Therefore 180 glasses can be filled by curd. Now here we solve another question. A student multiplied 7236 by 65. Instead of multiplying multiplying by 56, how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? So here the question is, a student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. So here the student get two answers, like the correct answer and the wrong answer, because first you multiply 7236 by 65, and here we also find how much was his answer greater than the correct answer. So here we find the two answers, correct answer and a wrong answer, and after that when we get a correct answer and a wrong answer, then we subtract wrong answer and the correct answer. So here we get how much his answer greater than the correct answer. So here first we multiply, and we have, like, if we multiply 7236 by 65, then we get 4,70,340, and when we multiply 7236 by 56, then we get 4,05,216. Now here this is the correct answer because it's a correct answer. So here we write, therefore correct answer is equal to 4,05,216, and a wrong answer is equal to 4,70,340. Now here we easily say that the wrong answer is greater as compared to correct answer. So here we write clearly 4,70,340 is greater than 4,05,216. So now here we subtract 4,70,340 and 4,05,216. Now we subtract these two numbers, then we get, here take a 1, borrow from here, then 10 minus 6, 4, and here 3 is left, 3 minus 1, 2, and 3 minus 2, 1. Now again here we take 1, borrow from here, then 6 is left here, and here 10, 10 minus 5, 5, then 6 minus 0, 6, 4 minus 4, 0. So here we get 65,124. So in the answer we write, hence the wrong answer was 65,124 greater than the correct answer.